Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here from elizacabrera.com, and I'm super excited today because I want to show you guys where you can get these bubble mailers and these amazing Ziplock bags for my people who are in total life changes. If you're trying to figure out where to buy it, guys, on Amazon, and maybe you know where to get it but you don't know the size. I get that question all the time. I actually made another video where I really go into depth in explaining how to break down the bag, right? How to really make profits off of this. Now here's the thing, I forgot to put the size and I always forget myself, so I decided to make a quick little video, right? So I actually have it up here, guys, so that I don't mess up. So when it comes to these little Ziplock bags right here, you want to get the 4.7 by 7.9. okay? I'm writing that there and I'm dropping it down in the description so that everybody's clear, right? That will allow you to fit 5 tea bags, right? I actually have in here, this is one of my bags, 5 tea bags in here, right? I sell this 5 for 20. You can do 5 for 25, you know, that's completely up to you. You can put it inside here. This is great because it allows you when you're outside, if you want to sell to a stranger, if you're at work, or somebody who simply wants to try the product but they don't want to invest the $60 yet because they want to just see how it works. This is what you want to give them, guys. So I love these because it fits everything depending on your business card, right? I actually have these, which I got from Quick Prints. I got 1,000 of them for $80, which I think is amazing. And I'm not sure how good you guys can see it, but this is great. It has everything on here, your phone number, your email, your website if you have one. I just love it, and it has great before and after pictures. I'll drop their link as well from Quick Prints, guys. I strongly recommend them. And then I also have these bubble mailers. You know, now most of you are on social media selling, right? So you gotta mail it out to people. I recommend you get these, but do not get this size. This is way too small. I have to squeeze this in here. I ordered this by mistake and I'm stuck with them. So I recommend you get the 6 by 10. This is 4 by 8, okay? Don't get that size. Get 6 by 10, guys. I ran out of my 6 by 10. I actually used to have it when I was selling something else. I recommend the 6 by 10. It's going to fit much more comfortably, and in case you want to sell something else, maybe you do lip glosses, maybe you do jewelry, that's great for those small items. Or if you want to give your customer something free, right? More free product for them to test out. I strongly recommend you get that, guys. So I'm dropping these links down in the comments. Again, I'm putting the size there for you so that anybody who wants to get these, you can get these. I'm also going to share with you a link where you can create stickers, guys. Stickers are great, as in like a little label for you that you could design either on the website, or you can go on Canva and make it super cute and then take it to the website, upload your design and print it out. So you could either put them on the bubble mailer itself, or you can put them on your Ziploc, guys. Guys, if you found this useful, please go ahead and subscribe, drop your comments, and I'll get back to you with whatever questions you have, and I will see you in the next video.